Kuruluş Osman is returning with Season 7, and this time, the stakes are higher than ever. Osman Bey's empire faces new threats, both from within and beyond. Osman Bey returns stronger, wiser, but surrounded by uncertainty. His dream of a united empire now depends on new strategies and old loyalties. A dangerous enemy rises from the west, a Byzantine warlord seeking revenge for past defeats. His arrival will shake the foundations of Osman's rule. New alliances form in the shadows. Spies, nobles, and traitors all play their part in the chessboard of power. Season 7 won't be without heartbreak. Osman must make painful sacrifices for the survival of his people. The drums of war thunder once again. Season 7 promises battles that will define the destiny of the Ottoman dream. Get ready for a season filled with betrayal, glory, and destiny. This is not just a series, it's history reborn. So if you like my video, please subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.